YouTube! Little girl Marcita B is back, and you will not believe I finally installed some Yankee twists. I went the inexpensive route, tried like 3 different styles. I used 2, one loop and one with a pre-loop and one without the pre-loop. So of course I will list all that information in the description box below. But here is the brand with the loop, with the pre-loop. There it is right there. This brand is less yucky, it's more of that plastic synthetic feel. And then this other brand is more yucky and has no pre-loop. So you just install it as you would bulk crochet. I think I used about 10 packs. I mean, woo, you know, I like my hair thick. I don't like any gaps. I probably have about 200 and I don't know how many. To tell you the truth, I don't know how many strands. I might have 300 strands a Yankee twist in my hair. I really don't have a preference. I think I like the pre-loop better. Both styles are easy to install, and you know, this hair you don't have to do too much of anything with it. A little braid spray and finger comb it and you're good to go. So even with all this hair in my head, it's really not that heavy, probably not as heavy as like if you had some braids or locks. It's fairly light. Pretty soft. And easy to manage. That will do it for this quick look at some inexpensive pre-looped and non-pre-loop Yankee twists available on Amazon.com. I will be back with a new video of crochet braids as soon as I find some that I really like. Everything I see right now just seems to be a updated version of something that has already been done, and I don't want to bore you with that. If something really new and innovative hits the market, I will bring that to you, or something that, you know, that's a little different, or yeah, I really like it. Really looks good that I haven't tried. Because you know I have tried. many styles. But until then, YouTube, you know what I always say before I go. You be safe, take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.